GCFCE today, and I think Dan has bought a truck. I haven't seen this one, so you guys know as much as I do. It's supposed to be a truck. That's all we know. And I think Dan is giving me an old lawnmower, so that's also excellent. And I think Andy is going to meet us here too. Don't have much time today because we are going out for dinner, but impossible to not come have a look at least, eh? Oh, summer's almost here, you guys. Time to play What's in the Yard today. Hi, Nikki. What's going on, buddy? Oh. There's a lot of doors on this thing. What? Man. Are you like a wealthy farmer or what?
Pretty neat, hey?
That's a pretty Alberta rig, isn't it, eh? Wow, look at the finish. It's awesome.
This truck's super looking. Hey, I love this. Hey, you can see that I love Alberta beef.
Oh, it's got the Alberta beef sticker, yeah.
So it was owned by.
Wow, it's pretty decent, man.
It is actually really. It's actually really decent.
It's really decent.
Yeah, it's really decent.
Cool.
It's really decent.
Wow. Look at this thing. That looks like a Chrysler what's that steering wheel?
That's the upgraded steering wheel for these trucks.
That's crazy. Yeah, it looks like it's out of a Cordoba or a Magnum
so
or
factory
something.
Wheel. So this truck was actually loaded for the option side of things. Look at the weird option. So 364 barrel.
Yeah.
Maximum cooling system.
Yeah.
Leaded fuel engine. Optional 410s. 410 sport steering wheel. So that's the sport steering wheel.
I've never seen that. I've never seen that in a truck.
Obviously 2-speed wipers. That was pretty well.
Yeah. But it's still an option.
I think it's less hubcaps. I don't think it even has hubcaps.
Yeah.
And it's a 1-ton. So it's a W350.
Mm-hmm.
Trans oil cooler, double roller timing chain. I love that. Hey,
yeah,
like double roll, 30-gallon fuel tank. Obviously these things always had full gauges in it, but check out chronometer.
Yeah,
chronometer
look
in a
at
pickup
that.
truck.
It's like out of a New Yorker.
Yeah. So it's got a chronometer. It's got tilt. It's got tilt. It's got air, and it's got cruise.
Wow.
Yeah, and AM/FM radio.
AM/FM, yeah.
And
Royal SE. Wow.
What's super cool about this truck is look at the colors. So it's charcoal gray. The truck's factory charcoal gray with a red interior.
Never had headliner, hey?
No.
Wow.
No, they didn't.
That's cool. Yeah.
But rear sliding. Oh, that's our foam.
Oh yeah, nice. Rear slide. Yeah, sure.
It's rear slider.
Probably got a cargo light.
So
yep.
Look at these even because it's a
carpet.
It's pretty fancy because like I was looking at the crew cab inside the garage
plates.
And the sill plate. I was like, oh, I can steal this one for the truck in there.
Yeah.
Because this is the one in there is all screwed. Well, this one's just as bad.
Mm-hmm.
But this one has double sill plates. But like seeing a charcoal gray truck with a red interior and no two-tone.
Yeah, crazy.
And zero two-tone. So it's factory. Because my other truck's a 250. This is a 350.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a 350. So you can see it's got overload springs on it. The new
like shit is a 3/4 ton. How do they ride as a 1 ton?
Probably. I bet you they ride just as shitty.
Probably rides worse.
And so I thought it was the fuel pump that was bad.
Yeah.
And when it first got home, we hooked the battery up to it, and we put the starter. We tried to hook the starter up to it, or to hit the key on the starter. The starter was cooked.
Yeah, okay.
So I pulled the starter out, and somebody had it apart because there was a whole bunch of pieces off the starter. So it looks like they tried to fix it and
and
didn't.
gave up. Yeah.
But yeah, factory air conditioning in the truck, like that's pretty wild.
For Canada, that's
right.
This is a really special truck.
It's got the massive booster on it.
Yeah.
Right. I did kick the AC on and then it died. So I don't know if the clutch was actually turning or not, but it's probably full of mice. But anyways, what it was is it was the football. So the fuel pump was working, and I just
stuck
down so solid, eh?
I whacked it a couple good times, and then all of a sudden, then it stayed running because before you just kept filling the fuel.
Yeah.
Right.
Deluxe bumper guards.
Right.
Big trailer mirrors. Those are aftermarket though, probably.
That was aftermarket. It would have had the same ones, but yeah, check it out. Right, Royal SE. Right. Like this thing was pretty downtown.
That's pretty. I've never seen anything like this. Like
this is pretty wild. And I'm still in debate. Like I was like, oh, I should just
It is.
Rid of it now.
It is pretty cool, man.
The more I look at it, I'm like, it's actually a pretty solid truck.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. I mean,
it's a big project though. Like this is a big.
Is it though?
Well,
I mean, sure, everything is though.
Everything
is.
None of these were Dodge wheels. This truck would have had 16 5s from factory.
Right, that looks like an implement tire on there.
Yeah.
16 5s this late.
Yeah. Nope, yeah, up to 85 on these ones, yeah. Like, it's really not that bad.
No,
like,
it's really cool.
It's not bad at all. Inside the doors are good. All the door panels are good. This kind of stuff, to see this all here is pretty neat. But what my other truck doesn't... Like, check this out. These are factory seats.
Yeah.
And I don't know why, but it's got factory...
Folding
split
bench.
Split bench in the front, and then factory rear, the seat folds forward. And I looked at the one in the garage in there, just 2 fixed benches. So to see 2 trucks.
Well, just how many of these moldings, right? Like all this is crew cab only.
This is crew cab only.
Crew cab only.
This is the same.
Yeah, sure.
So that's the same, which I actually have another one of these that's really good.
Yeah.
The front's the same, but this middle piece, crew cab only.
Yeah.
Right? This would be any short box, but short box.
Yeah.
But this piece,
that guy there, yeah, crew cab.
And it has no brakes at all.
Right. Is that the fan making that noise?
Yeah, the fan is hitting something. I don't know what it's hitting.
Yeah. Hey, we get the idea.
But it runs.
That's awesome.
Right?
Look at these deluxe door panels too.
Yeah, that's pretty swanky. Like carpet on the bottom for
and
like
speakers.
the speakers.
Yeah.
And the missing speaker piece is in here somewhere.
Yeah, yeah.
Right? It's in here.
Huh.
Factory, look at that. So you get the speaker in the dash and the speakers down there. Like, that was pretty fancy.
Oh, this would have been special order. It's got to be, right? Like,
this is
you wouldn't bring these in and put them on the lot.
Apparently it came from Saskatchewan is what they had told Dave.
Yeah, but where's... Oh, there was running boards. I was going to say, where's your running boards? But they used to be there. The fenders are not even rusty. The doors and fenders are good. And the rockers are even good.
No.
It's not garbage by any means.
No, it's
This
not.
is a really cool project. You wouldn't even need to paint it because the outside looks cool as hell.
It does look cool.
Yeah.
It just to do ball joints and kingpins and everything on these are just
Sure.
it's a
What's the
massive
diff?
project. 60s.
Yeah.
They're Dana 60s.
Yeah.
Just a massive project. Actually, not really. Like, you could have this truck on the road for probably a couple grand.
Well, even if it was
But
$5.
Like,
By the time you buy tires and everything. But it doesn't even need a muffler, and the engine could be tuned up. It seems okay.
I gotta take the battery off first. So I don't know if it'll stay on or not.
Yeah. Yeah. Still has the jack and the handles and all that shit in there.
Yeah, I don't know what the fan...
Yeah, it's a clutch fan.
Bad motor mount hitting the...
Something was clacking when you were turning it.
Does it have an air pump way down there?
No.
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 Could be a bad motor mount and something's hitting something.
Hmm.
Alternator could be touching.
Yeah,
Who
whatever.
knows?
Ooh, double belts too.
You have the 100 amp alternator on it.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Like a New Yorker with 4-wheel drive.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this would ride much opposite of a Yorker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty slick speedboat lights up top there, eh?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Hey, believe in the underhood insulation. Look how good it is.
Yeah. Yeah, it's surprising the mice haven't eaten that because that's
Yeah.
prime mouse food, those
Yeah.
things. Yeah, that's the same booster as my truck, isn't it?
And it's Alberta registered.
Really?
Like, it was last driven in 2010.
Yeah, yeah. Huh. Yeah, I think it's really cool. Just because you just never see. Just never see.
You see the base ones, like that one in the garage there?
Yeah.
You see basic ones. But
Well,
to
you don't
like
see those much either.
But to
You don't see crew cabs really much before the last 10 years or so. But short box crew cab, that's crazy.
It's pretty rare.
How many miles on it?
Well, it says 83. It's still 100,000 83, but it's probably It's probably 200,000.
Yeah.
But with 410 gears, could you imagine how much to put 200K on this truck? So apparently they bought it when it was like 2 years old.
Did you get it from original owner?
Well, no, he bought it from the people who bought it when it was 2 years old.
Oh, okay, but from them.
Yeah, we got it from them.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we got it from them. Yeah.
What a crazy truck.
And all the trim that's missing out of the back there.
Yeah, you have it all.
There's some in the back here, and then the rest is on that 90 at Paul's house.
Yeah.
Um,
Wow, that's really neat.
Like, it's not terrible, hey?
No, not at all. No, it's actually, somebody will, could make a very nice, very cool truck. It'll probably get a Cummins sooner or later, eh?
Not for me.
No, but somebody would.
Oh, somebody would, yeah. They would buy this and then tow their holiday trailer with it, right?
Yeah.
Or put a Palomino camper in the back,
Yeah.
right? One of those pop-up campers.
I didn't have so much to do, but I don't really need it either. Like, it's a family unit.
Or
But
dog
it's
space,
cool.
right?
It's cool as hell, though. Yeah.
I think it's a neat looking truck.
Yeah.
It's a really neat looking truck. But you compare it to the one I have that's rust free.
Right. I mean, this one isn't bad, but yours is better. Is yours long box?
Nope.
Okay.
I wish. Basically just extended. Good truck.
I got about 100 comments. You need to build a big garage like Dan has. I'm like, yeah, if I could sell all my cars, I might be able to build a garage and then have nothing to put in it. Oh, doesn't that look just so nice in the old collection, Dan? Hey?
Looks like something now.
That is such a good idea. Let's do those wheels, man.
I'm gonna break the tires off and then blast them. What's that?
You're right.
Yeah. I like doing wheels proper. That's the standard minimum thing. There's nothing worse than seeing shitty wheels. Half-assed wheels.
I'll just be over here.
Okay, so should I try to put?
What do you got? Oh, you got the right nuts.
Do you mask around that, or did that come off?
That came off.
Nice.
You guys are madmen. Did you drive it around at all since you got it? No, just drove it here and that was it.
I don't even think I need glue on the back of it with these. Now that car looks terrible, hey?
Well, this is the thing, eh? Now old 9C1 needs a splashy poo.
The nice thing is with that one,
This car is so clean though.
it is.
But yeah, it could use paint. I mean, I'm not a paint everything guy, as you know.
Neat work project. I just yeah. That car actually looks, I think, pretty decent. Oh, you know what?
It doesn't really need much work.
You need to get in here.
I saved the nuts when I took that apart.
This didn't have nuts. Oh, I gotta put them on. Now you see this one's never even had.
Yeah, they just had those cross switch.
Yeah. And that's what we're gonna do next. We're gonna do. Okay, so oh, what's that? Let's see if that link go.
Is this the one you're talking about putting the 408 in?
Yeah, I talked myself out of that already.
You talked yourself out of it already, eh?
If I was talking about pull the motor, if I'm pulling the motor,
It's more of a diesel kind of thing anyway,
yeah,
right?
it's an Amazon one.
Like, do you really need a revvy, peaky, chattery cam and something like this?
Well, it's got the right gears for it.
I guess you're right, yeah.
That's all it's got going for it, though.
This is 360.
Yeah.
It's mild up too, isn't it?
Oh, that thing is collapsed.
Yeah, we spent a whole night on it and could barely get it to run at all.
Yeah, check timing and everything.
Looks tough though. Like, yeah, you're right. This is the one to save. Like, there's no body work to do.
It's older, it's cooler.
It's not much older, is it?
It's 1 year older.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought this was from the 70s.
It's just
No,
more-
I looked it up, that's
just
70s.
base
As
or-
I looked at the emblems there, I'm like, oh, this is modern. Modern. You got your tire machine going so you can pop tires out?
Next weekend I'm going to get that going. That's not a this weekend thing.
You can use mine if you need to.
I don't.
But Dad's are all wired up now, so.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're pretty close, aren't you?
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold this if you want to go underneath.
Honestly, it's just.
Yeah. Easier to just get in.
But yeah, get them going next weekend because my parents will be home. I think they're in Calgary today. Maybe they're. I don't even know. I didn't even ask them actually.
It's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.